Hi guys, so this is Jeansy Veral again and welcome to my channel, 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 channel. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. So disclaimer guys ha, I'm not a pro in baking, but I love to bake. So pagbigyan nyo na po ako. I love baking, I love cooking, and I love to eat as well. And then next is let's add the three cups of brown sugar slowly. Or 3 cups.
A few moments later.
So here you go, guys. Here you go, guys. These are my finished product. Finished cookie, but it's still uncooked, guys. I'm still going to bake this for in 350 Fahrenheit oven. Good for 12 minutes. All of this. So put this here. I'll put this here. So after 12 minutes, guys, is kukunin ko na to sa loob ng oven. See ya!
A few moments later.
So ito, guys, tapos ko nang i-bake ang aking cookies. And I'm just letting it sit here on my table para lumamig yung cookies ko. And later, I'm going to wrap this with a cling wrap or a transparent plastic, stretchable transparent plastic or cling wrap para maganda siya tignan sa presentation. And this is Luna and Peanuts peanut butter oatmeal cookie. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, this is Jeansy Veral.